So guys, nasikia madereva Bolt wengi sana wamesoma. Kwa hiyo wengi wao wanajua Kiingereza. Sasa leo nimerequest, nataka nimpranki mmoja hapa. Nimuulize maswali fulani hivi, nimwektea kwamba mimi ni Muingereza. Mimi sio Muingereza, nimetoka zangu kula hapo ubwabwa. Kwa hapa nimpranki mmoja, nimemrequest aje nimtest. Huyu hapa. Hey brother.
Yusuf.
Yeah, it's me. Is it Evans? Are you Evans?
Yes. Bolt send.
Yeah. It's Bolt. I just requested here. So I come from America. I'm American. I'm trying to ask you some questions. You good?
Twende. So no request.
I'm from America, so I can't get you. Are you a fan of football?
No request.
Are you a fan of football? Like soccer? Can you play soccer? Are you a fan of football?
Leg.
Yeah. Football.
Football.
Yeah.
Means mpira.
Yeah, that. Can you play? Are you a fan of football? Okay, let me ask you this. Do you know World Cup?
Yeah, World Cup.
World Cup.
Yeah, I know.
Which team? What are you? Which team do you? Which are you a fan of? Which team?
Fan of
which team in the World Cup? Yeah. Which country?
Sasa huku inasoma, tukiendelea kukaa hapa tukae labda tuende, yani tu tunaenda. Yani I mean you come to sit here then because I know in Swahili.
I'm trying to ask
I know
you.
In Swahili. Money is
what's your
is increased.
So money. You want money? I can give you some, you know. So what I was asking you is, what's your favorite team in the World Cup which is coming next month? Okay. What is your favorite team?
I get lakini brother, hela ikisoma huku utanilipa hela ambao unaniwe tukiendelea kukaa. Yani maana weni